everyone, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a balloon parrot on a swing. What it looks like. See, you got the beak, the head, the body, and the tail, and the swing. So, I'm going to be using white, and it's actually easier than you think. It only uses one balloon. And I think it is now. I'm just going to put this on and create the parrot. Sorry. There. Okay, and now I'm going to apply it. It's tied. So here's my balloon. You can't really see it because of my bright yellow shirt. So, yeah, let's begin this awesome balloon parrot thing. So you want the tail of the balloon or since my pinky is really small, you probably want it up to the second line. But for me, my whole pinky, the tail is much as long as it is. And now we're just gonna start. So first, I usually like to stretch it out like that to make it straight. And after you do that, then we'll start. Okay. So now we'll start. Sorry, a lot of talking. So you're gonna go down about, for me, if you have small hands like me, 3 fingers, but if you have big fingers, 2. So 3 for me, and then there you're just going to twist. And you need to start on the side with this, because this thing has to do stuff with it. So we're going to go like that, and then we're going to take this and pull it down, and we're going to twist in the middle, like that. And then we're going to take the knot, nozzle, or whatever it's called, stick it through the middle, and here we go. Here, and then the head. So there we go, we have the beak now. Now, we're going to squeeze the air down to here, so it's filled up almost all the way. You just have that little thing, the little tail, and the rest will fill up by itself. So, now, with the head, we're gonna go like that, right behind it, and this part is very confusing. And just so you know, you can choose how long you want the actual tail of the bird to be, right here. That part, how long you want it to be, that's how big it's gonna be, and it also determines, like if you want a really long tail, it's gonna be harder to fit the whole bird in the swing, but if you have a smaller tail, it'll be easier, but it'll just have a small tail. I prefer the smaller tails, so we're gonna go behind like that. And it doesn't matter where the head is right now, but all that matters is that it's there, and then we're gonna twist them together. So we are here, and now twist like that. And sometimes that can be kind of tricky. What I like to do is take the tail, around, which is the equivalent. Now we're gonna make sure the head is forward this time, so it needs to be facing you like that. And we're gonna take this all. Now since it's like the small hoop and then the tail. Again, we're gonna squeeze. It didn't fill up. And then here, so push this down together like that. And then we're gonna go high, like right here. And we're gonna twist all 3 together. So twist. Now we have our parrot, but it's on top of the swing. So this part is actually pretty easy. Just get to flip halfway. So you take it like that, and put it, just push it through. Fix the head and the body and the tail however you want it. And there we go. We have a white or whatever color bird you chose on a swing. So that is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm so happy you joined me for this awesome balloon video. And yeah, bye.